How to install Steam on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to install Steam on Mac, open your preferred browser first and search for Steam there. Tap on the store.steampower.com link. You will be led to the official webpage of Steam. Here, you will see the option for Install Steam on the top of the screen. Tap on that. Now here, tap on the Install Steam option with an Apple logo. This is the Mac version of Steam, so tap on that. Once downloaded, launch the file. In the pop-up that appears, simply drag Steam to Applications. You will receive another confirmation pop-up saying Steam is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Tap on the Open option and now Steam will be installed on your Mac. Wait for the installation to complete, and once the installation is completed, you will be asked to sign in to Steam. So go ahead and enter your account name and password. You can also sign in with QR, and this is how you can install Steam on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.